Welcome students. Present here with another question. Here the question: if minus pi by 4 less theta less pi by 4, then determine the values of a and b such that a less than cos of theta minus sin of theta less than b. This is the question. Before solving this question, I request you watch this video without any break. Also, I say that subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, because whenever any video will be uploaded, immediately notification will be sent. Now start the question. Here see, write the given question, the given expression is equal to cos of theta minus, simplify this first. Simplify this means make it in a single term. So if we write this way, we have learned before. So next step, this is 2. 1 by root 2 we may write cos of pi by 4 cos theta minus sin pi by 4. As we know, cos of pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So now use compound angle formula, cos of theta plus pi by 4. As from trigonometry known that cos of a plus b, that is equal to cos a b minus sin a b. Next, now from the given condition, stop it now. Now from the given condition, what is here? Minus pi by 4 less theta less pi by 4. We have to find out the range of this, so we make it first this, or minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 4. This portion is 0, pi by 4 pi by 4 pi by 4 pi by 2. Operate in this inequation cos. Operate cos on this inequation. So cos 0 less than, cos is in radians, so need not the symbol degree, cos of pi by 4 plus theta cos of pi by 2. Here see, as within 0 and pi by 2, cos is decreasing function. That means, see here, the graph of cos is cos 0 1. and cos 90 is 0. So if we draw the graph, obviously this is decreasing, so not less than. As cos function was never drawn on the graph, or known that within 0 to pi by 2 cos function is decreasing function. So cos 0 1. Now without writing this not less than, we write greater than. Cos pi by 4 plus theta greater than cos 90 0. So now reversing this for better understanding, 0 simultaneously multiplying root 2, because we have to find out root 2 into of this. So okay, 0 already written, so 0, whenever 0 will be multiplied by root 2, 0, no problem. Root 2 cos of pi by 4 plus theta less than root 2. As the problem is solved, our question was find the values of a and b so that cos theta minus sin theta, lower limit and upper limit to be found out. So here the values of a and b are 0 and root 2, 0, root 2, that is a is equal to 0, b is equal to root 2. That's all for this question. Again I shall tell you, if it is relevant to you, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video.